Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have another scooter for you. This is the Hovsco dual suspension 500 watt adult scooter. This one has dual brakes, dual suspension, 10-inch wheels. Real nice, real sleek. I did one of these before. It did not have the suspension. I told them I really wanted something with suspension on it, and they sent this one. And I'll tell you what, this one really delivers a nice smooth ride. You have dual brakes front and back, headlights, a nice bright display, gives you 3 modes: low, medium and high. Click this one time, turns on your headlights. Over here you can see the headlights automatically comes on when it gets dark, so you don't even have to worry about turning the headlights on. You get your power meter, your battery meter right here, your mileage, your speed. I get this one up to 18 miles per hour, so it's real nice. It's a folding scooter. You have your folding mechanism right here. You press this, pull that down, and it just tilts forward. Once you get it tilt forward, there's an extra latch right here. Pull this off, goes down, hooks right here, and that allows you to carry it around easily in the folding position. So if you have to put this in the back seat or the trunk of the car, very easy, very light. You do have a kickstand right here, so if you want to park it, you have kickstand. And the charging port is over here, so you can charge it. It comes with the charger. But like I said, 500 watt motor, dual disc brakes, 10-inch wheels, folding, 18 miles per hour. You can drive this thing up to 30 miles on a charge. Okay, all right guys, so this is it right here. Hovsco dual suspension Felicity scooter. Let's get on and take a quick spin. Kickstand up. On these, once you get ready to ride, see, if I push the button, it won't go. You have to kind of roll, give it a roll start, and then it will go. So we're gonna start in low. So we're in low, and I want you guys to see right quick. The max I'm gonna get from low walk mode is about 4 miles per hour. It's not gonna go faster than that. Double click, go to medium. Medium gets me to 10. Click it again. And high. That will get you up to 18 miles per hour. You have front, back, and regen braking. So if you pushed it, if you just barely push the brake, it will regen. $16, $17, $18. So 18 for a minute. I love the suspension. It works real good. I can see it's absorbing all these bumps in the road. This is definitely a scooter for someone looking for a commuter to get around town, get around the downtown. Easily fold this up, get back to your office. Maybe you park in a parking garage somewhere and you would just want to ride this to your office. This will be perfect for that. Alright guys, so there you have it, the Hovsco Felicity. This is a real fun bike. I really enjoy the ride. With the dual shocks, really makes a huge difference, because the last one I did not have shocks and it was kind of uncomfortable riding it. As you can see right here, I already put 4 miles on it just today, getting this thing around. You see this little display right here, the icon? It says my lights on, so I'm just going to push it one time. That'll turn the lights off. But close in, fun, absolutely love it. Nice looking scooter. I love the red calipers. It gives it a nice sporty look. A little red around the rim. That looks good. I like the dual brakes. And your little hand throttle right here. Makes it good. If we take a look in the back, you can kind of see the shocks back there. I would have to take this cover off to give you a better look, but you can see the red shocks in there. So another painted caliper. And 10-inch wheels. Got reflectors right here. On the back side, you push the brake, you can see you have flashing brake lights. That's real nice. So if you're riding at night, not only do you have the headlights, you also have brake lights and running lights. And on the side, you have these reflectors. So this is something you could ride in dusk. I wouldn't tell you go ride this at night, but if you get caught in the dark, you have a safety device, you know, the brake lights and headlights. One question I was asked is, if you take this out camping, and can you recharge your battery using a portable power station or a generator? So I'm gonna show you this right now. So let's say you take this off camping somewhere and there's no power. Bring one of these portable power station with you. They're actually smaller versions. This is a AC60 Blue Eddy. This one's actually IP65 rating, so it would be no problem taking this outside with you. It can get wet, no problem. So let's plug it in and see how it charges. Display is on. Okay, so I have my brick connected. Come right here, get your charge port and plug this in. See, you're only pulling right about 140 watts AC. So no problem charging this off of a portable power station. So you can actually take this off road and have your portable power station, and you'd probably charge this thing several times, probably up to 10 times before you have any issues. So yes, you can charge this off-grid portable power station generator. It pulls right around 140 watts. So there you have it, guys. No problem charging off portable devices. So there you go. All right guys, so we're gonna take all 3 scooters off. So this is the Porter Max. This is a sit-down version, foldable. They're all foldable. You have the Xender Max over here and the Felicity. Dual shock, dual brakes. This one has dual brakes, but the Xender only has 1 brakes and no shocks. So this would be the entry level to this. This one's the adult riding, folding, dual suspension, dual brake, basically fully loaded. This is the Felicity. So we're gonna take them for a short cruise and just see how fun they are. Alright, remarks. Hold on, let me make sure I'm recording. Okay, remark. One's gonna cheat anyway, so go ahead and get your head start.
What?
Go.
Look, he's serious.
Go, let's go.
Come on.
Let's take this fool.
I got you.
I would recommend you getting one of these. I will have the link in the description, so click the link and you'll get a discount from Gavin's Garage. Guys, thanks for watching this review. Hovsco, Felicity, e-scooter, love it. Check it out. If you're looking for one, definitely give this one a chance. I recommend the one with the dual shocks. Makes the ride way better. Just a smoother looking ride. Guys, thanks for watching this review and have a nice day. Bye.